Hey, it's Russell with Arkansas Drone Solutions. It's going to give you a little view of the Mavic 3 Enterprise. I've been selling a lot of these lately. I've sold to farmers and surveyors recently. Farmers are really getting excited about the accuracy on the Mavic 3 Enterprise. It allows you to get really accurate with the RTK module that you can attach to the top. It comes with the case. I recommend the DJI battery kit, which comes with three extra batteries and the charging hub. So it has two cameras. One is a zoom, one's a wide area. 45-minute flight time is the official line. Realistically, late 30s. Just depends on the wind. You have your remote controller with everything built in, which is really good. So you can plan your mission beforehand. So I'm planning a mission that I'm going to go out and do in a week or so, and I'll need authorization from the FAA to fly this. I've got it programmed, went out and did the authorization, so I'm ready to fly on it. You can load it, got camera view built in. It's really, really sharp screen. I don't have the drone on, so you won't see the camera view at this time, but it's got the mini HDMI out, so you can output to a screen. So if someone wants to look over your shoulder as you fly, it's really handy. I did a little mission over my house, and it's really impressive. You can see the contour of the mission. So my house is here. I drop down behind me to the cadron. You can spin around on the 3D model and really see the contour. It's really impressive. This is in drone deploy. So I flew the mission in 8 minutes, uploaded the images, have the 3D model, 2D or 3D, which I can draw with the measuring tools on this map, 2D map, and see a lot of information. So you can take that information and make an OBJ file, put it into CAD, do all kinds of interesting things with it. A lot of farmers now are using it for elevations in their rice fields. Levee planning, pipe planning, a lot of things like that. So if you could use a drone like this, give me a call. I can fix you up. That's Russell with Arkansas Drone Solutions.